Hello, right now I'm gonna quickly show you how to clean up your USB Type-C port and fix no charging problem. So first of all, I recommend you to turn off your phone before proceeding with the cleaning. And as you do this, you simply have to take your phone and take a look right here. It is a really common problem with every phone actually, and the dust, all the junk might collect here through all the time due to regular using of our phones as we put them into the pockets or something. This Type-C connector might actually collect some junk. So right now I recommend you to not use actually any metal items to do this. I tried to insert this toothpick right here and tried to get this dirt out of here, but the toothpick is actually too thick to be inserted between this port and this plastic piece right here. So actually it's not really recommended to use anything made out of metal. I recommend to use something made out of plastic if you have such a thin item. But in case if you don't really have anything like this, use this one at your own risk. I actually do this at my own risk. I use this aluminum piece right here to take it off, and I do not really recommend to do this, but in case you don't really have no more choice, you can actually try doing this with this pin for your SIM to eject your SIM card. So right now let me show you how to do this. You have to take your pin or anything to clean your port, insert it gently right here and try collecting the junk from here. Let me actually grab this phone from a different angle, with a different hand, and you simply have to take a look at all the junk. My junk isn't really visible right here, but I know it is here. And you simply have to take your item and gently insert it right here, not to damage anything in this port, and collect all the junk into one edge. For example, I don't know, let's say this one, and just take it like this. You have to collect the junk, and now you have to, as you collect all the junk, you will have to take it out like upwards like this. But I can't really see in this camera anything. It is hard to see. It's really hard to see, but let me try doing this. Yeah, so basically that's how to do it. And also, in case I don't know if as you can see here, we have a junk to take it out. All right, that's nice. I think that we have one more right here, but let me tell you, in case your Type-C port is actually clean and you don't have anything right here and your charging isn't actually working, I recommend you to turn off and on back your phone, since sometimes when you are charging your phone there might be problems with the charging itself. So the phone is able to turn off your port, and then you will not be able to actually use any type of devices. You will be able to connect your phone with other phones. You wouldn't be able to plug your USB sticks into your phone, and you will also not be able to actually charge your phone. So I recommend you to turn off your phone and turn it on back again to enable the Type-C port in case there are any problems with it. Yeah, but basically let's go back to cleaning, and as you can see, I'm trying to get out of this junk, but it's really hard to do this, and it's actually, let me take a look, let me closer look by myself. I think we actually took out all of this junk, I believe, but I'm not really sure though. Let me quickly check. I can see that we have actually some dust right here, so let's try to take it out. And I recommend you to actually not let the emotions take over, because when you're simply mad, there's the more risk that you can damage something in here. So you have to be patient. Remember to be patient and just try to peacefully take everything and carefully take everything out of here. Alright, as you can see, I just managed to take out another piece of junk out of this port, and right now I believe this port is actually all clean. So you can also try to blow inside to get out of the rest of this little piece of junk. Alright, and right now I will try to connect a Type-C cable to see if it fits all the way in. And as you can see, everything is fine. The phone just got plugged in and it's turning on, so that means that the port itself is working and everything is fine. So basically that's how to clean up your Type-C port using household items. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.